Thanks everyone for joining the Moldex3D webinar series. So this is a brand new section that we're going to be doing for the webinar series called the Tips and Tricks, where we'll be kind of giving advanced tips and tricks for our current users that maybe you didn't know, or maybe have been improvements since the past versions and so on. So in this tips and tricks section, we're going to be focusing on the pre-processing. All right. So there's 5 main sections that we'll be going over here for the tips and tricks specifically. Designer BLM meshing, just some general tips and tricks for Designer BLM in general. Then we have our non-matching technology, which has been improved. Looking into some of the runner improvements, or the design improvements for the runner, especially with line-defined runners. Improvements or enhancements with the cooling channels. And then finally, some recommendations as far as the surface mesh goes. All right, so starting off in design, one of the main challenges was that we had users meshing their gates or their runners with a geometry, and there was really 2 challenges. So first of all, the intersection of the gate and the part itself. What ended up happening was there was a BLM, or a boundary layer mesh, created on the gate, kind of right at the gate surface, and then right at the part surface there was also a boundary layer mesh created, and that caused kind of a double boundary layer mesh to be created right at that gate surface. So what we've done is we've kind of improved that intersection where those 2 are more seamless and less dissected. You can see how seamless the meshing looks on the outside as well. The other challenge here was the connection between a line-defined runner and a geometry runner. So in this case here, this is a specific case where we had a geometry gate. So the geometry of this gate was a lot more specific than our line-defined technology can create. And then we just had a simple line which comes right into the center of this. And as long as, with our new meshing technology, and I'll explain this a little bit later in the runner section,